quick learning, and thank you so much for your lovely comment. And also, if you guys have any type of request video, let me know in my comment box. I must try to make the video if it's possible for me and if I have that time enough. Okay, so here's basically the request that this is basically a commenter basically comment me that bro, can you make the basically shifting characters, or how can make the shifting character mechanism? It like if you just also give me a example, just like Aaron turned into a Titan. Okay, it's what is it? That is a kind of like a anime scene video. I don't watch anime, so I don't know too much about that, but I just search on YouTube and I found the reference. Maybe it's just talking about that, but make sure I don't have the similar stuff, but I'm going to just demonstrate with you that okay. The first, I'm going to use this first pack, and you find that in Epic Marketplaces, and that is in a free, that is a crow pack, and the animal variety pack. At there I'm using the crow. So with that, I'm going to transfer a human into a crow. So what will happen? It will look very magical. Yeah, it will look magical. And then I'm going to use the second pack, that is the Western Town. I have this basically many months ago when the Epic giving free. I have that, so so I have this stuff. Okay, I still looking some dark because I just playing around with some lighting effects. So otherwise, yeah, that is quite an upgrade. And the second, I'm going to use the third, I'm going to use basically the advanced magical VFX pack, because there's a lot of VFX available. So I'm going to use this pack. So yeah, basically I'm going to use 2 to 3 packs. Okay, so now let's get start making the mechanism. The first, let me go in our example map, and instead of our example map, what you're basically going to do is okay, I have I just got my order. Also my rider is coming. I will now, in just a moment I will come. The rider will bring some food for me. Yeah, this will be great. Okay, so yeah, this is basically the start location, and now let's create the BP. Because I'm using a third-person character template, there's already have the character. So what I'm going to do, I just change my first camera location, and with that, let's create a function, or even you can create a function. Doesn't matter if you want. It's not necessary, but if you want, you can create. So I'm going to create a function, okay, because I like to create function, that's why. Okay, let's give it in that C system, that is basically the change system. Yeah, you can just remember what you're basically doing. Just give a simple keyword. It will be save you lots of time. Like you don't need to write a change system or whatever stuff. But yeah, if you're working in a team, you must need to do, because others, your other teammate should be understand what you're basically doing on. Okay, the first thing, we already created first start. Oh, sorry for the background noise. Okay, my hair while I'm living, so lots of cases people stay with me, so yeah, I can't do anything. So let's add an arrow. Basically the arrow is a point of view that from where all the particles or all the VFX should be start. Okay, so I'm going to set it in my back, and then at the system logic, what I'm going to do, I'm getting my get transform. Transform. With the transform, we are basically getting the all of kinds, the location, okay, kind of like the XYZ, and also the location rotation also, that's why. And then what I want, that we need to now find our perfect VFX. So you can go to particles, and in my case, I'm guessing I can use the water heat. Yep, the water heat's pretty much looking great. What about this one? Wow, it's looking more great. Okay, let's use this purple one and simple drag and drop, set it to manual attach, and then you need to set it to split. So you find that location rotation, just connect with location rotation and connect like this. And now for changing system, let's use a keyboard for change, or for example V keyboard. Whenever I want to press V keyboard, my character will be switch. So what I'm going to do is, then I'm going to basically call my function, just simple drag and drop. You don't need to write that C system whatever. Okay, now simply just create this thing on that at here, drag it here. Now if I click on play, and then oh man, come on, yeah, if I click on play and if I press V, and there's an effect will be done, and that's what's basically I'm looking. Okay, once we have, now we need to create basically the transfer mechanism. The second transfer mechanism is basically we need all of them, the core. So just go to core mesh, and here's basically the core mesh, and you need to just connect with your mesh. okay, and you find something like that, and then you need to duplicate the tons of time. Okay, so for the first it will be look like here, and then duplicate. Okay, and yeah, we need to create some more duplicate, like it's looking that they're flying with each other. Okay, so we need to make that effect. So for creating that effect you need to do some manual work. So I'm going to make them some forward and backward, so it will be look more great. Come on, where you are. So you need to do some couple of copy. Okay, nothing else. You need to make some couple of copies, and yeah, it will look great. So just since you have something bird like this, it will look super crazy. Okay, and I guess this is quite enough. Okay, yeah, I guess this is quite enough. Okay, even you can make them some upper, downer, little bit up, little bit downer. Okay, make sure this one should be visible, so it will look great. And oh, okay. Now compile and save. And now once you have or create the system, now we need to do one more stuff on our event begin play. We need to even we don't need to set it to event begin, but we can set our crow, set it to animation, and we can give it that cow flying, so it will look like this. And if you want to create some random stuff, so for do that stuff you need to grab them all and you need to connect with the begin play. So simply connect, like just get them all and simply do and set animation, and you can set it to put a delay, kind of like you can play the, like, let me check that in the fly what's they have. Fly. Okay, you can add some delay basically. Okay, random delayness, so random range, kind of like 0.2 to 0.5. This quite enough, delay is quite enough. Okay, so it will give you some random stuff. So yeah, so you can need to make some multiple outputs like this. You can hold that and then duplicate, and if you want, this the most easiest part is, if you can do, you can use the Niagara particle system for do the same system. So set play animation, play animation. Okay, and you can set the fly, sorry, what is that, fly, fly, sorry, that is the fly. Okay, the fly, and set it to loop. Okay, duplicate. If we give 4 variant, that will be enough. Okay, I'm just making some delayness. No, it's a kind of like a randomization. Last I need for this one. Okay, now I need to connect them all. So target, and target. Compile, save. Now whenever the system will work, it will be automatically make a delay system. Now let me show you what will be happen if I click on play. As you can see, it's they will be make a delay system. Are they doing? What do you think? Did they doing? I guess the timeline is not working properly. I'm working for I guess I need to give some more delayness, kind of like 1, 2, 3. Let's say to put the value 1, 2, 3. That is more serious stuff. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Compile, save. Yep, basically I'm looking this one, kind of like, as you can see, this is quite enough, looking great. And yep, okay, so basically the point is, right now as you can see, it's quite enough great. And now the main system is done. Now we need to create basically do like something that then it should be appear. Okay, for now, because this system is working now, what we need that this all stuff will be visible whenever we press on C keyboard. Okay, so my data is coming, I know. Maybe I need to go leave some for some time. I need to add a cut in my video. Okay, set visibility. So let's use that set visibility, and then we can even use the hide also. So let's set that set hide in game, and then new hide. Okay, it should be work. Now we need to connect like this. Copy. The first time, once they are able to do everything, it should be a hide in game. And once this thing done, whenever we press on the C keyboard in the flip and flop, okay, with the flip and flop, first time it will be unhide them, and second time it will be again hide them. Okay, so compile save. So if I click on play, and it will be first disappear in a seconds, then if I press C, oh sorry, in a V, it will be appear and the VFX will be done, and as you can see the car is with me. So then I need to disable my own character, and if I press again they will be disabled. Okay, kind of like this transformation. Okay, now let's do some more stuff and some more work at here. The second, we need to delete our own self, so hide. So will be hide our own mesh and set it to hide, and copy that, paste it here, and at here unhide. Okay, so as a result, what will we do in a begin player? There's everything will be okay. If I press V, I will hide, and there's basically the crew, and again if I press, it become visible. Now we can do some more VFX stuff, kind of like once they will appear, you can add some more VFX, including how I doing on my VFX system. Okay, like whenever I press that system, after that some delay, make sure in a function you can't add a delay. That's why I hate function some of cases. So after a couple of times you can make something this, what is kind of like, okay, I don't need that, even not this one too. What kind of this is? It's complete when I'm not seeing what is going on, but saying that it's complete. Wow, very good. Okay, so I guess we can use this. This will be look great, it will be look some more magical. Or this one, yep, we can use this one. It's even it's looking great. So I'm going to attach that, and manual attachment. And what will we do? I need the same system what I did at here. So as I said that you don't need to do this shit or this function even. Okay, this is total depends on you. I'm going to change that. This is a kind of some of cases the function is shit stuff. That's why you can use the macro function even. So if I click on now play, I'm not sure the wing is doing properly or not. So I'm going to set the arrow some more at here. I'll save, and then it should be play some more delay, I guess. So more than 1 second after you should be play this. Yep, it's looking great. Okay, and now you can, once they are moving, you can add some more VFX with them. Okay, like some trailing like FX or VFX. Okay, yeah, you can do something like that too if you want. So you can go to the VFX again, and let's see what we can add more. In my case, what I'm seeing at here, there's not too much VFX available. Like if I gonna go to particles, we can use this system like this. So we can use something from like this, duplicate. It's looking totally evil stuff. Okay, now let's get this to target item at here and simply connect at here, and both of them at here should be appear once they are should be visible. Okay, that's the result. When I press this, it should be like that. And then yeah, it's looking too much VFX, I guess. But I'm lacking. That is totally depends on you how we use. Okay, I'm not going to tell anything or suggestion. It's totally depends on you, as I say. Oh, why is this one going up there? It can be more magical, but I don't have more magical stuff. So yeah, that's all. In this way you can basically create a system like this. Okay, and yeah, it's looking great. For get my paid course, you can visit my Udemy account. There's a lots of tutorial available. Also, if you want to play my game, you can check that on Steam, App Store and Google Play Store. Also, we have now the Discord channel, so you can join there and do lots of fun and etc more. Also, for get more information for our about video, you can check our website. Also, you can get my paid asset and plugins in Epic marketplaces. Link in description link below.